Guys, am I audible? Yes or no?
Yes.
So, what is the stationary wave? If, example, you take these two rigid side and imagine there is a string attached to two rigid part. Example, this is going like this first. Then it will come back and it will form like this. Yeah. So, this black part will cancel out the blue part and net movement will be zero. So, overall, wave will form, but net wave is not there. Such wave are known as stationary wave. Okay? So, stationary wave means overall net displacement is zero. In stationary wave, we have reflection of wave. And this reflection, for reflection, you need some surface, rigid boundary. Example, example, if you take this surface, reflecting surface, light will fall on it and then reflect. So what is the reason? Because you have the opaque side, right? And this boundary is responsible for reflection of light. In the same way, you have reflection of the wave and reason rigid boundary. Okay. So the what formed here is pulse. It is pulse. So it will hit the rigid surface and will go back like this, the lowest one. Okay. Example, same thing happen in the echo. What we are saying, it will hit the boundary sound wave and then again it will reflect back to our ears and we'll hear at echo. But if you have lot of things, material in our room, what will happen? Material will absorb the sound. Correct? But if boundary is not fixed, it is moving. Example, in the second situation, in this, what will happen? Some part will reflect and most of the thing will be transmitted further. Same like light. Example, if you have transparent medium and this is the boundary, so light will fall on it. Some light, very small amount will reflect and some like it should be straight and then it will bend toward the normal. Correct? So some light will reflect, other light will refract. Same thing is happening here. Make sense? So these wave are almost like the sound wave. Sorry, light wave. Sound wave is almost like the light wave. In case of reflection, what happened? It started from here and it went back. So what will be the angle? 180 degree or pi. If a refraction happen, then it will pass continuously without any change. Angle will be zero. Understood? In case of reflection, it will reflect back. Example, if we have reflection of the light, uh, what happen? Light will fall on the surface and then it will come back. So what is the angle between the initial and final line? 180 degree. Correct. But if it pass continuously in the straight line, then phase difference will be zero. Example, if you have refracting surface, what will happen? It will pass continuously. Got it? So, what happen in case of reflection because there is a rigid boundary? So, y is equal to a sine kx minus omega t plus pi. Why this pi? Phase difference. Correct. In case of open boundary means refraction. In case of refraction, what will happen? Phase difference is zero. Correct. So reflection, phase difference, phi value is pi in this case, and here phi value is zero. Got it? So in case of rigid boundary, if sound wave is moving toward the wall, you will take this as overall positive value, and away from the wall, negative value. Direction is changing overall. Overall negative is changing. Net resultant zero always, because net moment is zero. Anybody who missed anything from the this part, you can write. Guys, was it easy to understand for everyone?
Yes, sir.
How many of you are there? Five. Anvita, Brinder, Chandana, Sania, Sara. Who are missing? Pratigya and Jordan. Okay. Yeah, finish it. What is the summary of this? Key in case of reflection, phase difference 180. A refraction, phase difference 0. That's all. That is the overall summary. Done?
One second. Done, sir.
Hmm. So now we are talking about stationary wave, also known as standing wave, because ultimately it is at rest, and any body that is present at rest is no can be called as standing or stationary. Okay. We know for one complete wave, wavelength will be lambda. Example, this is half part, this is second half part. So one complete wave. In one complete wave, what will be wavelength? Lambda. Okay. So for half wave, what will be the wavelength? Lambda by 2. Understood. If for plus x-axis you take minus sign, then minus axis you will take plus sign. Everything else is same because they are exactly opposite of each other. One 180-degree difference. So what will be the resultant wave? Y1 plus Y2, addition of both. A will be common. Sine, it's like sine A plus B, sine A minus B. It look like sine A plus B, A minus B, which will be equal to 2 sine A cos. This is the trigonometry formula. This is trigonometry formula. So if you consider this, then 2 sine A and cos B. Just give me a minute. Understood, guys? Ask your doubt. Because this kx is like A and this omega t is like B. Got it?
Yes.
Kx is like A and omega t is like B, and we said sine A and cos B. Got it? So what will be the amplitude in this case? This whole stuff is like amplitude. It's like capital A cos omega t. That's how you write angle, right? Cos theta. But this A is equal to this 2A sine kx. It look like the. Any doubt? We are going to start the real stuff now. What is node? Node is the point where amplitude is zero, and antinode is the point where amplitude is maximum. Okay. Example. If you see here, in this case, everything is written here. N stand for node and AN stand for antinode. So you can see at N, your amplitude is zero. This is node. At AN, your amplitude is maximum value. So you call it as anti-node. Okay. It's like same if you take sugar cane. This, this. So if you consider this, Sania, what is this slip-like structure?
So which one?
Black color. In a sugar cane, this is node, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is node, this is node, this is node. Every structure where you don't find the real sugar content is node. And where
Yes.
actually you have all the content, this part is known as antinode.
Internode.
Internode, sorry. You are right. Internode. Correct. Space
Yes, sir.
between node, internode. Almost same stuff here. Antinode means opposite to the node. In a node, you have minimum value opposite to this maximum value of amplitude. So, can we say in this one complete wave, your wavelength will be lambda? Correct? This whole wavelength will be lambda. I will erase this and I'll make this again because this diagram is extremely important. Okay. We are taking a situation where both end are rigid. We are taking a situation where both end are fixed. And between these two ends, it's like guitar. How in case of guitar, wire move and movement of this wire cause vibration, special type of frequency. But net movement is zero because wire will remain in the same situation. Now you know this is half wave and here you have one complete wave. Let's take this is A point, B point and C point. Okay. At A, B and C, your node amplitude is zero. At A, B, C, amplitude is zero. That's why such structure are known as node. This is node, this is node, this is node. Any doubt, guys? Okay. If you take D point and E point, here you can see amplitude is maximum. Uh,
Sorry, Jordan.
Jordan, you are very late.
So I kind of slept, but I woke up at 4:20, but then the Wi-Fi was not there.
420.
Yes, sir. There was no Wi-Fi for like 20 whole minutes.
Okay. So at D and E point, which logically you can see there is a maximum amplitude. Such points are known as antinode. This is antinode. This is antinode. So node are the point where amplitude is zero. Antinode are the point where amplitude is maximum. Okay. So Jordan, tell me from point A to C, what will be the value of wavelength?
So it would be 2
Lambda.
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 Oh, lambda, yes, sir. Because
Length of
crest
one wave
from.
is known as wavelength lambda.
Yes, sir.
If you take from point A to B, Anvita, what will be your wavelength?
So lambda by 2.
Lambda by 2, half of lambda.
Yeah.
Chandana, from A to D, what will be your wavelength? Lambda by 4. Chandana, are you there? Okay. So lambda full complete wave, half wave lambda by 2, and half of the half wave lambda by 4. Can you say you have node at A point, you have node at B point? In this situation, what is the distance between two node? Barinder, what will be the distance between two node A and B? Both are node. Distance between two consecutive node. Barinder,
So
between
lambda
two
by 2.
lambda by 2. Next, Sarah, from D to E, you have two antinode at D, antinode at E antinode. What will be the distance between these two? एक हफ्ता लगन नहीं दूंगा काम पे, ठीक है? Sarah, can we say it will be lambda by 2 from D to E? Because if A to B is lambda by 2, from A to E it will be 3 lambda by 4. Correct? So, Jordan, what will be the distance between two consecutive node?
So between two consecutive, it will be lambda by 2.
lambda by 2. So can we say in between two consecutive node and anti-node, distance will be same, that will be lambda by 2.
Yes, sir.
Sania, what will be the difference distance between one node and one anti-node?
Lambda by 4.
Yes, lambda by 4 between A to D, because at A you have node and at D you have antinode. So distance between antinode and node, it will be lambda by 4. Understood? Done. That is a basic understanding. So just give me a minute, guys. Note it down. Guys, tell me, is it easy to understand whatever I said? So, what happened? You can see whenever there is a node, your amplitude will be zero. A means amplitude will be zero at case of node. If amplitude is zero, means overall displacement will be zero. It means this value is also zero, theta part. Because you know y is equal to a sine theta. If a is zero, your y is also zero. If y is zero, your angle is also zero. So in that case, if this is zero, your kx value could be zero because sine zero value is zero. Sine 180 value is also zero. Sine 360 value is zero. And after every pi, your angle will be zero. Correct? So can we say kx will be equal to n pi? It could be any number. 1, 2, 3, 200, 500. Whenever you take, it will be zero only. Understood? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. So can we calculate x value here? N pi by k. And by using this, because we know k is equal to 2 pi by lambda, we can also calculate where x means the position where node will be 0 will be equal to n lambda by 2. By the way, just because it is given in your portion, I'm telling you, without using any formula, you can easily tell where node will form without using any formula. Like, first node will form when x is 0. X0 here. At this position, x value is equal to 0. Correct? Here x value is 0. So that is where we have first node. Second node, lambda by 2. See, here also you have lambda at B point. Correct? At B point, you have lambda. Correct? By 2. And here also your y value will be 0, not x. Y value will be 0. Because amplitude, node. Any doubt, guys? Up to now. Where third node is formed? At lambda. First node 0, second node lambda by 2, third node lambda. Can't you tell even without using any formula like this? Yes or no? And can we also say in all this situation, gap between two node is lambda by 2, which we already did? Yes or no? In case of anti-node, your amplitude will be maximum 2a. So sine theta value will be equal to 1 because maximum value. In that case, sine kx will be n 1 by 2 pi. Example, if n value is 0, pi by 2 means 90. And 90 value is 1. If you take n0, n0 means 1 by 2 into pi. Pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what? 90-degree angle. What is the sine 90 value? 1. Understood? So it will be like pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
K value is 2 pi by lambda. Pi pi cancel. You can calculate x value. So what is the difference? Here, when you calculate x value, you are getting this extra. In case of node, it was simply n. Correct? Simply n, you are multiplying with n here. Whatever n value will be there, half extra. Correct? Half extra, half of the lambda by 2. Half. Example, first antinode is formed at lambda by 4. See, where first antinode is formed? Lambda by 4. Second, where antinode will be formed? 3 lambda by 4. That's what I said. Even without doing any numerical calculation, you can easily tell where node is formed, where antinode is formed. If you try to memorize formula, it will look difficult. But here, this is each. Distance between two conjugative antinode, pi by 2. We already did this. This is PYQ, I guess. Calculate. Don't write complete question. Write y1, y2 value, maximum displacement at this position of node and antinode. मिस्त्री सही है पूरा done guys. So you have to take the resultant value. Understand, both value are opposite to each other. One is plus, another is minus. If you take, what will be the value? It will be same formula 2a sin kx and cos omega t. This is the formula. No need to write anything. Just direct is 2a sin kx and cos omega t. According to the question, you can understand What is your k value? K value is 4 and omega value is 1 because it is not given. It is 1. If you put, you can calculate the value. Okay. Because x value is 2 centimeter. So it will be 8. Sin 8 you can calculate, it will be slightly less. Sin 90 value is maximum. Anything then less than 90 will be less than 10. Understood?
Yes, I got the same. After that, I did not to calculate.
Don't calculate further. Just this is enough. We are not bothered what is the value. What we know, this will be the y value. If this is the y value less than this, you know k value is 4 and k value is also equal to 2 pi by lambda. K value is 4, k value is also equal to 2 pi by lambda. So you can calculate lambda value. Your wavelength is 90 degree. Your wavelength is 90 degree. Correct? If your wavelength is 90 degree, you can calculate position of node. What is the formula of node? N lambda by 2. What is the formula of node? N lambda by 2. You already know the value of lambda, you can calculate. Antinode 2n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. Put lambda value. You'll get the position of antinode. Okay. So formula, what you understand here is extremely important. Here n lambda by 2. Here n plus 1 by 2 lambda by 2. Okay. N plus 1 by 2 lambda by 2. Any doubt, guys? Ask your question. Your doubt. See, we got the maximum displacement, but to calculate the node and internode, we don't need y value. We just need k value. Through k value, you calculate lambda, and using lambda, you can get position x value. X means position of node and end. Understood? And after doing all these basic, now we got these 2 points. String fix at two end. This is what we need to do. And this is what we were taking example. And second position we will do with this. String is fixed at one end and free on the another end. Because string free at both end doesn't make sense. Correct? Organ pipe will have closed organ pipe and open organ pipe and beat. That is the topic here. How do you guys feel in the when both end are closed, open organ pipe and all this stuff? Anvita,
So I didn't get your question.
how do you feel in this chapter in this topic?
It's fine.
It's fine. Chandana,
Sir, it's going well.
it's going well as of now. Okay. And Sarah, am I audible, Sarah? I think she is joining again. Yes, Sarah, you can hear. So next, Barinder Kaur.
Sir, it's going good.
Okay, Sarah. Barinder Kaur.
Yes, sir.
Jordan, Roland,
It's going okay, sir.
because you joined in between.
Yeah, I joined late, sir.
Yeah. Sania, Pani, not Pani Grihi.
Yes, sir.
How is it going?
Good.
Okay. If you understood this well, trust me, 90% job is done. 90% of the organ pipe. Why? Because first situation when both end are fixed, like guitar, exactly like guitar. If you see here, you take complete length, then at the two end you have node. You have node on the both the side. If this is the situation, in between you will have antinode, here you will have antinode. So two node and one antinode in this. This is the first mode, means basic version. You can't have less than that. First mode means basic version. Okay. Total length is L. Okay. Total length is L. So how to calculate total length? What is the total number of lambda by 2 form? Okay. Total number of lambda by 2 is formed. Example, if you have only half wave, then n value will be 1 and you can calculate. Don't worry, you won't understand this. I'll come to the part. You want to calculate frequency. How to calculate frequency? You know frequency is equal to velocity by lambda. Why? Because you know velocity is equal to frequency into lambda. Correct? Because you know frequency is sorry, velocity is equal to frequency into lambda. And what is the value of lambda? 2 L by n from this. Here you got lambda value 2 L by n. How we got length is equal to n lambda by 2? Just check where node is formed. Every node is formed at a distance of lambda by 2. That's why L value total length will be n lambda by 2. And this is your final formula. Frequency is equal to n number of wave formed, v velocity 2L. Okay. So can we say frequency depend how many such kind things are formed? Example. Here only one half wave is formed and value is 1. Here two are formed and value is 2. If three are formed and value 3. 10 are formed and value will be 10. Look easy as of now. So imagine this length is lambda by 2. Can we say this here you have 2 lambda by 2, 1 and 2 lambda by 2. Here we have 3 lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda by 2. If anybody asks what is the total length in this case, 3 lambda by 2. What is the length in this case? 2 lambda by 2. What is the length in this case? Lambda by 2. Makes sense, guys? I told you, from diagram, it will look extremely easy. If you focus on the formula, it will look most difficult topic. Just focus on the diagram. Only on diagram. Only. Anybody have question? Let me know.
Sir,
Yes, guys.
sir, actually, I got cut off when you were discussing that question. So, can you show that portion?
I can show that question here. This part, no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Done, Tanya.
Yes, sir.
Right. Anybody have doubt in this part?
No, sir.
And everything what we are studying, the string when fixed at two end, string fixed at two end is exactly same like open organ pipe. In open organ pipe, I'll tell you कि it is exactly same as fixed at two end in all the formula, everything. Mode of the vibration. You know, whenever string move, it will produce some kind of wave. Okay. Fundamental mode or first mode, the basic frequency we are talking about. Okay. In this case, string will have one segment. In this case, string will have one segment. It will be first harmonic, fundamental mode or first harmonic, and value will be equal to 1. Okay. Because only one basic frequency is formed, and like this. Only one segment is formed. Correct. What will be the length? Of course, lambda by 2. What will be the length? Lambda by 2. How many node are formed here? 2. Both on both end. On each end, node is formed. Correct. Where antinode is formed? Exactly at the middle A. This is A and antinode. Any doubt, guys? How, when both end are fixed, mode is formed? Right. Then second mode or second harmonic or first overtone. What is overtone? Like frequency more than the fundamental frequency is the overtone. And in the simplest way, what you will see here, uh, if you take the second harmonic or second mode, it means n value will be 2. What does it mean? Two segment are formed. How to calculate segment? You can see this is one segment. This is second segment. Correct? Two segment are formed and value is 2. What will be the total length, Anvita? When n value is 2, what will be the total length?
So when n value is 2.
Yes, n value is 2. What will be the total length in this situation? What you can see in diagram. फोन तो कर ले उसको तेरा ठीक है ठीक है फिर ही वो आवेगा ओ जाड़ जाड़ा हाँ हाँ हर रोज यूं चढ़ाने वाला काम ये चढ़ाने वाला काम
Let me lambda.
हाँ दो चार दिन में मतलब कल ना को नहीं आंदा ठीक है
ये बोले तो वो तो डाल दे बजे पहला भीतर ले को आ रहा है
हाँ
वो जो सब सामान होगा बेड है
हाँ
उसके कोट पे डाल देगा
आर यू
यू भी चढ़ा दूंगा सजवा जंगल ले और तो ये करता है पहला जरूरी एक तो हुआ है एक ही हुआ है
सबसे पहले तो वो है जो मेन बढ़ने वाला है पहला वो चढ़वा ले
और जो सब तेरे मेज
हाँ फिर उसके बाद जाड़ जाड़ा करवाया जाएगा हाँ
दैट है
it will be lambda Anvita. How? Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2.
Yeah.
Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. So total lambda. Chandana, how many nodes are formed in this situation? Chandana, how many node, how many internode? Sorry, antinode. 3 node, 2 antinode. Correct? Chandana, any doubt? This is not required. Done. So tell me, in this case, your length will be lambda. Why? Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. If you take third node, then it will be equal to third harmonic, second overtone. You can just imagine what will be the number of overtone in this situation, number of node in between. Example, here have two in between node, two overtone. Here you had one node in between, so one overtone. Just correlate with this. So you have one node here, so first overtone. How many overtone will be there? Two overtone. Because you will be confused between these words, overtone, harmonic mode. Harmonic mode, same thing, overtone, one less. Harmonic and mode, same thing, overtone, one less. Correct? So what will be the number of anti-node? It will be equal to the number of harmonic. Example, here, your n value is 3. Your node value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Your anti-node value is how many there? 3. So can we say your anti-node value is equal to small n or harmonic? Harmonic or small n? Mode is third, anti-node is also 3. Your node value, whatever your harmonic, one extra. Example, number of harmonic was third, but node value is 4, one extra. Correct. Overtone, whatever is your harmonic, one less. Example, in this case, overtone is second, less than harmonic, one less than harmonic. Ask me, guys. This topic is done, and everything else will compare with this only. Observe this. Take your time, understand this, and ask your doubt. Because 98% of this topic is done if you understood. Once you finish writing, take 5 minutes just to understand what is written here and ask your doubt. I will stop it, but you can ask question. I am here only. Tell me, guys, everybody, everything is okay. Understood? Understood, guys? Yes, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Chandana,
sir.
3, Parinder, Sania, Anvita,
Yes, sir.
Jordan,
Yes.
Sarah, Sarah. So now we want to understand when one, okay, when one end is fixed and another end is free. Whenever end is fixed, you will always see node there. If end is free, you will see antinode here. Can we say this part is half of your half wave? Like here, you had length of this region from here to here, lambda by 2. This one bowl was like lambda by 2. Barinder, what will be the length between this and this? This is half of the bowl. Compare. See here, one bowl like structure was lambda by 2. Here you have half of this region. What will be the length? Make sense? That's why whatever you do, every time there will be difference of lambda by 4 here. But here it, it was starting from lambda by 2. Minimum value was lambda by 2 in when both ends are fixed. Here minimum value is lambda by 4. If you take 2, what will happen? You will take 3 part. This is antinode. So imagine this is like lambda by 4. This is like lambda by 4. And this is like lambda by 4. Correct? What will be the total length in this situation? 3 lambda by 4. Make sense? In future, we'll call same thing as closed organ pipe. And I'll tell you why. But understood this part? So first you had one value and then directly jump to 3. Example, here length of the pipe is lambda by 4. Here length 3 lambda by 4. There is no 2. Even number will be missing in this situation. Correct? And if you compare with your resultant value, then 2a sine ks and omega cos omega t. This was the resultant value. Here you know your y value should be maximum. Y value should be maximum. And when you get maximum value, only in situation when your kx will be plus minus 1. Yes or no? Just imagine if this whole value is equal to 1, then y value will be maximum. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So in this case, KL value, it should be equal to 1 plus or minus 2 and this. Because first, if you keep n value 0, then first value will be pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. And sin 90 value is equal to 1. So it means this whole value should be 90. Next will be 270. Next will be like 450, something like that. Difference of 180 every time. And same thing is given here. Put k value, k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. L same. Pi cancel. Your L value will be 2n plus 1 lambda by 4. Total length. If you compare with this, your where is L value? L value was n lambda by 2. This was your n value. In case of both strings, both and fixed, L value n lambda by 2. And when one end is free, your L value is 2n plus 1 lambda by 4. One end free. One end is free. Correct. Using the same method, you can calculate frequency. You know, velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength. So your frequency will be velocity by wavelength. Correct. This is equal to this. And you can put value of lambda. Correct. If this is the situation, you can calculate lambda value from here. Can we say by using this equation? Lambda value will be equal to 4L by 2n plus 1. Got it? Same thing is here. 4L divided by 2n plus 1. Compare with this frequency. Here is this frequency. NV by 2L. And what you have in the this situation. Don't worry, I'll compare, I'll write everything. Is this. Okay. If this is the situation and you want to calculate first harmonic or fundamental mode, n value is 0 because it starts when n value is 0. If n value is 0, formula was f is equal to 2n plus 1 v by 4l. If you keep n value 0, then frequency will be v by 4l. Right? Logically, you know here length is lambda by 4. Your length will be equal to lambda by 4. Yes or no, guys? Same thing. Exactly same thing applied here. So lambda value will be 4l. It means if your this region is lambda by 4, then this will be also lambda by 4. Total will be lambda by 2. Same lambda by 2, one more like this. This is also lambda by 2. Total length lambda. Correct? That's why we said lambda is equal to 4l. Okay. Third harmonic, when n value is equal to 1, imagine what will happen. The basic value was like this. This was basic. And your length was lambda by 4. What will be the next value? Example, this is lambda by 4. This is lambda by 4. This is lambda by 4. What will be total length, guys? Make sense? Correct. Understood? It look like third harmonic. Why we are calling it as third harmonic? Because it look like 3 unit compared to this. Compared to this, it look like 3 unit. 1 unit, second unit, third unit. Consider at half. First, second, third. Make sense? Yes or no? That's why we call it as third harmonic. We call it as third harmonic. We don't have any second harmonic. Either you have one here, this will be the first harmonic, and then directly third, no second. This is the length formula 2n plus 1 lambda by 4. Still, if you apply formula, same method. Always compare with your both end fix. There, your L value was n lambda by 2. Where is this n lambda by 2? N lambda by 2. L value was n lambda by 2 here. But if one end is fixed, what was your length? 2n plus 1 by 4 lambda. Understood? Got it, guys? Don't worry, I'll teach you. If you take fifth harmonic, so this is 1 unit, 1 unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit, fifth unit. So can we call it as fifth harmonic? N value 2. If put formula of length, same value we can get. And as I mentioned here, we see only odd number, no even number. Only odd number 1, 3, 7, 5, 7, 9, 11. Done. See this and ask your doubts. What you did not understand. I will do comparison in the end because I understand it is going too much for you, but it's okay. If you wrote, I will. We are almost done with the chapter.
So one
I will.
second.
Yes. Don't worry, I'll give you chance again. We are almost done with the chapter.
So please
But
send this PDF after the class.
yeah, I'll send. But now I will explain you once again to have better clarity. So today is Saturday, guys. Today is
Yes,
Saturday.
sir.
Tomorrow you have exam. Oh my God. Tomorrow you have exam.
Done, sir.
Tomorrow 9 o'clock, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And I said I will finish wave. I finished wave. Fluid mechanics is left. We did modern physics. We are doing electrostatics.
सर आप एक बार सिलेबस भेज सकते हो ग्रुप में?
हाँ, so but before that I will quickly revise what I studied here, like what we have studied here.
Daddy,
So, when will this class end?
This part is done. We have only beat frequency, only this part. Just like 10 minutes.
And when do we have the next one?
7 o'clock.
Okay, alright.
By 6 o'clock, I'll finish this. Before that, and you will have class at 7. You will always have at least 1 hour break, more or less, with some exception. We are studying two things together. One, when string fixed at both ends. String fixed at both end. And second, string one end free. These are the two situations. Okay. What are the difference between these two? In this case, if string are attached at both the end, then you know at both end you will have node. At both end you will have node. Node at this end, node at this. But if one end is free, then free end will have antinode. Free end will have antinode here. If you have both end attached, node. One end free, antinode. For this one structure, wavelength, this is half of the wavelength, that's why lambda by 2. This is half of the first situation, lambda by 4. Right? So minimum value, if you check here, will be this. You know y formula is equal to 2a sine kx and cos omega t. Same formula applied here for to calculate amplitude. Same formula applied here to calculate amplitude. Next, in this situation, you know at node, at the point of node, x value will be 0. If x value is 0, then sin kx value will also be 0. And if this is 0, then your displacement will also be 0. Because you know at the point of node, your amplitude is 0. At the point of node, your amplitude is, that's why y is 0. Everything 0. But in case of anti-node, you know your amplitude is maximum. Maximum. How is that maximum? If y will be equal to 2a. How is that possible? When your sin kx value is equal to 1. Remember, here it was 0, here 1. That is the difference. Why? Because here amplitude is 0 by definition, and at any node, by definition, amplitude is maximum. Okay. Can we say if this is 0, sin 0 value is 0, sin 180 value is also 0, correct? Sin 360 value is also 0, like that. Make sense? So can we say this is angle? Your kx value will be 0 here. Here, sin 90 value is equal to 1. Sin 90 value is equal to 1. Or same thing you can write sine pi by 2 value will be equal to 1. 90 or pi by 2 have same meaning. By this method, can I say your kx value is equal to pi by 2? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
If lambda is changing, this is also equal to n time of lambda. No, not lambda, my bad. N time of pi, because pi value is 0. Whatever you will take, everything will become 0, n pi. Here it will be pi by 2. Correct? So, what will be the k value? 2 pi by lambda is equal to n pi. Pi cancel. X value will be equal to n lambda by 2. X value is equal to n lambda by 2. Example. Just imagine if you take n value is 0, then your first node will be formed exactly at 0 value. X value will also be 0. Your first node is formed here, where X value is 0. Understood? If your n value is 1, then next your node will be formed at lambda by 2. Just imagine. See, this is lambda by 2. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Here, not just only at pi by 2, it will keep on changing and it will be 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. Sorry, pi by 2, my bad. Pi by 2. Because it will form at 90 degree or 270 degree directly, not 180. 270 like sine 3 pi by 2, something like that. Okay. What is the K formula, Jordan? Pi cancel. What is the X value?
X is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 4, huh?
This is the difference between two. Mathematically, it will look complicated, but if you see your first is formed at lambda by 4. Here, first is formed at lambda by 2. First complete wave. First half wave here. Imagine if you put n value 0, what will be the X value? Lambda by 4. So, first is formed by at lambda by 4. Here, if you put n value 0, then X value will also be 0. First node at form First node is formed at X value 0, but first antinode is formed at lambda by 4. What will be the position of the second node? This. What will be the position of second node here? If n value 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 3 lambda by 4. How? You extend this.
Ah, ayak selip ko kat day. Selip ah. Literally. Ora. Ikat din na. Letu bakar yang eh.
This is lambda by 4. This is lambda by 4. What will be the position of the third antinode? Second antinode, sorry. 3 lambda by 4. Yes or no? If you see here, what will be the position of node? Next will be 2 lambda by 2. It means lambda. And 3 lambda by 2. Something like that. 0, half, 1, 1.5, 2, like that. Got it? So this is the comparison. If here your n value is 1, it is known as first harmonic. First harmonic. If n value is 2, second harmonic or first overtone. Second harmonic or first overtone. If n value is 3, third harmonic or second overtone. Something like that happen. But if you compare here, if your n value is 1, you have 3 lambda by 4. It will be third harmonic directly. Third harmonic or first overtone. Because first node will be formed here, the bigger structure. First overtone. If you take n value 2, it will be 5 lambda by 4. So fifth harmonic or second overtone. Something like that. Compare. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
If no doubt, then everything is done here. Everything like here. Vibration in the organ pipe. You have stationary wave. In open organ pipe, both end are open. It is open organ pipe. If one end is closed, closed organ pipe. Even if one end is closed organ pipe. If both end open, open. In air column, you will have longitudinal wave. How is that possible? Height you cannot increase. Only forward, backward, forward, backward. If you see closed organ pipe, one end is closed. So here node is formed, another side is still open, antinode is formed. How does it look like? It look like exactly your one end is free. It look like exactly how one end is free. If your n value 0, then it will be F is equal to V by R. Why? Because your formula is 2n plus 1 V by 4L. This is the formula. If you keep frequency, if you want to calculate frequency and keep n value 0, you will get this thing. What is the meaning of natural frequency? When external frequency is equal to the frequency of the natural system. Based exactly on the same thing. How many of you have visited Hampi, Vitthal temple? How many of you have visited Hampi?
No, sir, haven't.
Man, you are from Karnataka and you haven't visited Hampi.
I've gone to
Shame, shame,
Saptarish, but
shame.
not Hampi.
Shame, 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 shame.
I must have visited, but I don't remember. That's the
See,
thing.
you have been living in Karnataka from last 19 years and you haven't visited Hampi. Shame, 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 shame.
Sir, are locals. I want to go to tourist places, sir.
See, the whole world is coming to Hampi and you are not going, being local. Shame,
I
shame,
think
shame,
we
shame.
went there when I was 3 or 4, so but how will I remember?
No, 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 no. But even when you were aware, you had proper consciousness. Let's take after 10. In last 9, 10 years, you haven't visited. Shame, shame,
So
shame, shame, shame.
if I had to ask my parents also, they'd be like, "What man? We already visited. Why you want to go there again?" They will be
No,
like, "You all went," and I was like a child. I don't remember. They'll be
have
like,
you
"No, no, no, it's
insisted
okay."
your parents, I want to go to Hampi once in your
So I've
consciousness?
told them places where all I wanted to go, so they never taken me. I told them one time, "Can we go to like Auroville because I want to see the Golden Temple there also?" They're like, "No, no, no. We went there when you were 2 years old. It's fine. It's fine." So I can't help it.
Shame, 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 shame.
Sir, you can't speak Kannada. That's even more bigger shame.
What? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am
Yeah, you
also
can't
shame,
speak
shame, shame,
Kannada.
shame.
Yes, sir.
Correct. That is bad. I should. But you should visit the Hampi, man. World Heritage Site. Word. You have
UNESCO
World
site,
Heritage.
yes, I know. I'll go visit it sometime. Even Sakleshpur also has UNESCO sites there.
Yeah. I've been to Sakleshpur.
Yes, sir. It's very nice. It's very cold.
Yeah, I've been to most of the places in Karnataka. Just
So
you
we know,
name.
sir. Full road trip and all you've gone on just because veterinary projects or something like that.
Doesn't matter. I've been to places.
So you had freedom. Do you know where my parents let me go and where do I not, and where am I not
I
let to
will
go?
talk to you after your MBBS degree. Let's see how
Yes.
many places you will visit. Aye. So open organ pipe, guys. Open organ pipe, both hand open. At both end, antinode will form. At both end, you can see antinode here, antinode here. But when you calculate total length of the pipe, it look exactly like both end fix. Like both end fix. Okay. If you calculate frequency, method is same, both end fix. If n value is 1, frequency will be V by 12. If n value 2, harmonic will be second. If n value 3, harmonic will be third. But you will see ki if you calculate n value 0 in this case, if you keep n value 0, then it will be first harmonic. If you keep n value 1, it will be third harmonic. If n value 2, fifth harmonic. Okay, that is the difference. That is the biggest difference. How with the n value it is changing, and here it is directly proportional. Okay, n value 1, first harmonic, n value 2, second harmonic, n value 3, third harmonic, like that. If somebody asks where you get better quality of sound, open or close organ pipe, then open organ pipe is better than close organ pipe. Okay, you have better sound quality in open organ pipe compared to the close. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
के सेंड करा है अच्छा फिर ठीक है beat. So when you see beat, you have very small topic. Oh, we are almost done. When you have two sound wave that have almost same frequency but not exactly same. Remember, not exactly same, almost. Example, if one wave have frequency of 10, another wave have frequency of 12. So what will be the beat frequency? 2. So you should have two sound having almost same frequency but still different. Same but still different. That is beat. Okay. What is included in one beat? It's like same wave, one rise, one fall, one rise, one fall. How many beat are there in 1 second? Beat frequency. What is beat frequency? It is the difference in the frequency in the sound, but it should not be more than 10. So the easiest way to understand this numerical key, if your value is more than 10, you won't get such question. It means this option will be wrong. How to calculate beat frequency? Difference between the frequency is beat frequency. Difference between the frequency is beat frequency. Okay. Example: if one frequency is 8, second is 2. What is the beat frequency? Difference between these two. Beat frequency. Okay. And yeah, done. Everything is done. Go through it once and let me know what are your doubts. We are done. We'll solve question. Don't worry. And whatever topic we'll see, if we are left with, I will make sure I'll cover each and every step with question. So go through it. Let me know. Tell me, guys, everything is sorted? Understood? Anvita,
Yes, sir. Think,
you think?
but it needs practice. I think. Like I
Yeah,
mean, I
we'll solve
feel
question.
okay.
Barinder, see this question. Ratio of frequency of fundamental harmonic produced by open pipe. Fundamental harmonic produced by the open pipe to closed pipe having same length is. Now, if you feel that this is tough question, in open pipe is like both end are fixed. In this case, you know frequency is equal to V by 2L. And in case of closed pipe, it look like one end is free. And here frequency is V by 4L. Okay. You are calculating their ratio. V by 2L divided by V by 4L. V cancel, LL cancel, 2 2 ja 4, it will be 2:1. Tell me, guys, was it difficult just to focus this? In open organ pipe, this, close organ pipe, this. Right?
Yes.
Now look at our notes. Where is this beat frequency? See, in open pipe, what is your frequency? Open pipe, NV by 2L. We said fundamental, that's why NV by 2L. In case of closed pipe, what will be the minimum value? V by 4L. Okay. So fundamental will be V by 4L. Here V by 2L because N value is 1 here. Then let's do one more question. This. By the way, one more interesting thing. If you see difference between these two, open and closed pipe. Here, if you keep N value 0, it will be first harmonic. So your value start from 0 here. But here, if you want first harmonic, N value should be 1. It is the N value 1 is the fundamental frequency. Here fundamental frequency when N value is 0. That is the biggest difference. This is fundamental. For fundamental, you need N value 0 in case of closed organ pipe. In open organ pipe, N value should be 1. If you understand this well, do this question. Last question of this. Fourth overtone in closed organ pipe. In closed organ pipe, if you see overtone, ratio of the length of the closed organ pipe to the length of this, you need to check how it is related with the harmonic. Example, when you say ki third overtone in open organ pipe, open is like both and fix, and third overtone means n value fourth. See, look at this. What is third overtone? N value 3, second overtone. N value 4, fourth harmonic, and third overtone. Correct? So when n value 4, you have third overtone. So you got to know in this case of open organ pipe, in this case of open organ pipe, your third overtone means n value 4. What is the meaning of fourth overtone in case of closed organ pipe? It's like this. If n value 0, then you will have fundamental frequency. If n value 1, then you will have first overtone. If n value 2, then you will have third third harmonic. No, wait. If n value 1, then there will be third harmonic and first overtone. Okay. If n value 2, then it will be fifth harmonic and second overtone. N value 3, 7 harmonic, third overtone. And if n value 4, ninth harmonic and fourth overtone. Understood? Okay. So this is extremely important, but it will come with the practice. In first question, you can't expect key. I should be perfect in the question. It's okay. No problem. So you know n value in this case is 4. If n value is 4, what will be your frequency method? You have to calculate length, na? Huh. Your frequency in case of closed organ pipe is 2n plus 1 velocity by 4l. Correct? In case of open organ pipe, method is nv by 2l. These are the two formulas we used again. Closed organ pipe and open organ pipe. In case of fourth overtone, this value will be 9. In case of third overtone, this n value will be 4. Put the values. 9v by 4l should be equal to 4v by 2l. And you have to calculate closed organ pipe to open organ pipe ratio. V cancel. LC by LO will be equal to 2 to the 4. Correct. So it will be 9 by 8. Yes or no? Should I explain this again, guys? Or was it too messy? It is messy. Teacher felt it by explanation. Yes or no? Jordan, was it a bit messy?
Somewhat, but I understood.
You have two systems. One is closed organ pipe, OP, and another is open organ pipe. This closed organ pipe look like one end free, and this look like both end fixed. In this situation, you will see frequency formula is NV close na no 2n plus 1 V by 4L. Here if you calculate frequency in open, it will be N V by 4 2L, not 4 2L. This is the one big difference between two. Frequency formula. Second, if you see here N value is 1, if N value is 1, you know your frequency will be equal to V by 2L naught. Such situation is known as first harmonic or fundamental harmonic, fundamental mode. If N value is 2, it will be known as second harmonic and first overtone. If N value is 3, it will be known as third harmonic and second overtone. And if N value is 4, then it will be fourth harmonic and third overtone. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
According to the question, what is given to you? In open pipe, you have third overtone. You have third overtone. So you should understand based on this statement, your N value is 4. Okay, if in question it is given open pipe, third overtone, so automatically it should come in your mind, my N value is 4. If your N value is 4, what will be your frequency? N value is 4. 4 V by 2L. We don't know the length, so I will write it. But if you see in the closed pipe, if N value is 0, it will be called as first harmonic or fundamental mode. It start with 0, not first. If N value is 1, it will be called as third harmonic and first overtone. If N value is 2, then it will be called fifth harmonic and second overtone. If N value is 3, then it will be seventh harmonic and third overtone. It, fourth is given, na? Yeah. N value is fourth, ninth harmonic and fourth overtone. Now come to the question. Question given is, in a closed organ pipe, you have fourth overtone. This is given in the question. In a closed organ pipe, fourth overtone is given. What you should understand from this, your N value is 4. Okay, your N value is 4. If your N value is 4, put formula F is equal to 2N plus 1. What is the N value? 4 plus 1 V by 4L of closed organ pipe. 4 to ja 8 plus 1 9. 9 V by 4 LC. Tell me, guys, any doubt as of now? In your question, you have statement like you have fourth overtone in a closed organ pipe and third overtone in open organ pipe. Correct? So, based on the statement, what you understood, in case of closed organ pipe, your frequency will be equal to 9 by 4 V by L. In case of open organ pipe, 4 by 2, or any doubt so far? Anybody? I think now I taught in a way ki you could understand. And it is saying, according to the question is saying ki fourth overtone of closed organ pipe is same as third overtone of open organ pipe. What is the same thing? Frequency is same. Okay, their frequency is same. Now you have to calculate length of closed organ pipe divide by length of open organ pipe. This is what you have to calculate. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Understood? How to calculate? Because both are same means both frequency are same. It means frequency of closed organ pipe is equal to frequency of the open organ pipe. What is the frequency of closed organ pipe? 4V by 9. 9V by 4 length of the closed organ pipe equal to 4V by 2 length of the open organ pipe. Correct? 2 to the 4. You have to calculate LC by LO value. VV will be cancelled. 9 by 8. Now, tell me guys, was it really difficult?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Barinder? Tania? Anvita? But you need practice for all this stuff. Ki if n value is 0, what is the meaning of harmonic? What is the meaning of fundamental? If n value is 1 in open, what is the meaning of harmonic? What is the fundamental? If you know this page, you can solve many questions. I will show you. This was the last question. I'm not doing any more question. But uh, oh, based on this, na, I have to do one topic. I'll teach tomorrow with question. Hey, but you will have almost same kind of question here. Fundamental frequency of open organ pipe is equal to third harmonic of closed organ pipe. In open, if you calculate fundamental frequency, it is NV by 2L and N value is 1. Because we know by definition fundamental means N value 1. Third harmonic of closed organ pipe. In closed organ pipe formula is 2N plus 1 V by 4L. Okay. Here if N value is 1, your frequency will be 3V by 4. Both are equal. If length of closed organ pipe is this, what will be the length of the open organ pipe? So first thing is your first frequency V by 2L is equal to 3V by 4L. This is for the open, this is for close. V cancel. You have to calculate your length of the open organ pipe. Cross multiply 2 to the 4. So 2 by 3 LC, which is equal to 20. So 40 by 3. Tell me exactly same thing is given here. Only frequencies change. You should know fundamental frequency means we are talking about n is equal to 1. Third harmonic means we are talking n is equal to 1, but in different pipe. One is open, another is in close. You will apply open and close formula using n value is equal to 1 and you will get answer. Make sense? You will use two formula. In open, it will be nv by 2l, and in close, 2n plus 1 v by 4l. You will put n value, you will get answer. And both are equal. Tell me, guys, after doing 3 questions, you feel ki though you need to work on this, but it was not so difficult. Every time you are using same frequency formula, you should know n value, and by that you can correlate frequency. Got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು
Yeah.
ಸರ್.
Sir,
ಅರ್ಥ
but
ಆಯ್ತು.
please don't do more questions. It's not going in my brain now.
Yeah, I
So
won't do
you
it.
told
Just
you'll give break 1 hour break before every class.
Yeah,
Next class is at
I'll
7
throw
p.m.
up, sir, if you don't stop now.
what you will do?
Sir, I'll throw up. I mean, as in, like, I'll vomit, sir, if I like continue for like 5 more minutes.
No, I won't continue it. Just I am telling you how question is asked. Same fundamental frequency, same closed pipe, length is given this, overtone is this of open organ pipe, and you have to calculate length. Same method. What is the difference? There you had third harmonic, here you have second overtone. Everything else is same. I won't solve question. I'm not telling you answer, nothing. I'm telling you method is same. You should know the meaning of fundamental frequency. You should know the meaning of harmonic. You should know the meaning of overtone. You should have formula of the open organ pipe and you should have formula of the closed organ pipe. Trust me, if you know only these 5 things, you will be done. Fundamental frequency, what is the meaning of harmonic, what is the meaning of overtone, what is open organ pipe, what is closed organ pipe. Make sense? Done. And same thing is given here. Here you have harmonic, here you have fundamental, here you have overtone, here you have n value, you have formula of this, you have formula. Done. That's all for this topic. Chapter is done, but we have to solve question. Oh. Okay, so don't worry. I understand it's been going long. I started around 4:30, I guess. It's been 2 hours I've been taking. But I just want to give you more confidence. Waves chapter is not tough. Is it tough, guys?